Are you ready to elevate your network to new heights? Welcome to Virajo Autosoft, where Netscaler migration is not just a task, it's simplified and seamless experience designed for your success. Netscaler migration can be a daunting process, but without Autosoft, it's a breeze. Let us handle the technicalities while you focus on what truly matters, achieving success in a network optimized for excellence. Our team understands that a smooth migration is crucial for uninterrupted business operation. Virajo Autosoft ensure a seamless transition, preserving the integrity of your data and minimize downtime. Why complicate things when you can simplify your Netscaler migration with Virajo Autosoft? Our team of experts is here to guide you through your every step, ensuring a stress-free experience. From planning to execution, we handle it all, allowing you to focus on your core business objectives. It's not just migration, it's partnership towards your network excellence. Choose Autosoft for a simplified Netscaler migration experience. Let us handle the technicalities while you focus on achieving success.